The big day came, June 29th, 2026. We were finally going to get our septic tank cleaned out. We contacted a company. They gave us a price of $475. That would have been the starting price. And we said, great, that was the cheapest we could find anywhere. We had another one at $600 and other prices, but this was $475 to start. So we figured all we would do was just have them come over and just clean it out. Nothing else, nothing special, nothing fancy, just clean it out so we could only have to pay $475. Well, they did come over, and all they did was they dug it up, as you see in the picture here. And the next thing you know, they gave us the price. And here is the price. This is a video from that interaction.
I did have to add 3 extra solids on there because it's excessive solids. To pump it out today, it'll be $11.38. That's to pump it out. If you wanted to go with the risers and to pump it out, it'll be $23.81.
Okay, so we were quoted $475 to pump it out.
Yes, sir. That's base flat line, but we have to add on for the extra solids.
Yeah, we're not even gonna get it done.
No, that's
this
too
is
much.
like that's not right. You know, we weren't told any of this.
I
You
understand
know,
that.
so we need to have be told up front what the cost is. That's why we called you up here, because it was
Right.
like, okay, this is the cost. This is good. Okay, we'll go for it. Now it's like more than double.
Yeah.
Right.
We're not doing
I
it.
understand that.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, sadly, I mean, we do have to charge for the solids because it does cost us more to dump it, and it does take longer to pump it out.
Yeah, just tell them to stop because we're not going for
Yeah,
it.
that's too much.
Yeah.
Well, I do apologize for that.
Yeah. I mean, tell the people who's on the phone, don't be saying stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
flat rate, it does start off at $4.88 for just a pump out, but the extra charges come in when you find out what's in the tank, really.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys came out here, but that's what we were told something different.
So can y'all do 813?
No. We got another quote for
600.
to come out and clean it out.
Yeah,
Period.
600.
So,
Okay.
Yeah, so we're
That's no
gonna have
problem.
them probably come out.
Listen.
So we're continuing on here. It's June 30th. Yesterday we had a company come out to give us a quote for cleaning out our septic tank, and they more than doubled the cost that they quoted us on the phone. So we called another company, the one that's going to be installing our septic tank at our new property once we sell this house. And so we're just gonna go ahead and see what they're gonna do. They've already given us a price. Hopefully they can stick to that price. So looking forward to see how well they do this. It would be so great to have one of those machines. I'd really like to own one of those and just have a business planting trees, the Ellen White method. It would be great. It's hard to get a visual of it. It's kind of surrounded with mud, but I can see it.
Grab it in the bar.
My handle broke off of that one.
Yeah.
That must be heavy.
That probably weighs about 10 pounds.
10? That's it?
That?
Yeah.
No.
No.
It has to be more than that.
Oh, yeah.
45.
Yeah.
How much?
45,
45?
Yeah.
Probably 60.
Wow.
How deep are these?
5 foot.
5?
5 feet?
Mhm.
Wow.
They're 5 foot deep, 9.5 foot long, and 4.5 foot wide, 5 foot wide, give or take.
Okay.
All this lid is right here is an inspection lid for your baffle.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Just to make sure your baffle hasn't collapsed.
Do they still make it like this?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
They do?
Yes, ma'am.
What does Rick use when he does septic tanks? Does he use concrete or?
We don't make them, so a concrete plant makes them.
Oh.
They use concrete, yes, ma'am. And
Okay.
they use, I think it's called stage 4. Don't quote me on that, but they infuse high structure fiberglass in them,
Oh yeah.
and they also infuse them with rebar.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's cool because we're going with Rick when we move. He's gonna
How many
do us.
bedrooms are y'all gonna build?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Be 1,000 gallons.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that's a smaller lid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why is it so tiny?
Just to inspect your baffle right there. That's all it is.
Bath water? you think?
No, baffle.
There's
What's
a
that?
concrete separation,
Oh.
so it's a divider.
It's just like a big wall
So-
with a gap.
From here to there is your solids. It's
Really?
3/4 of the tank. And right in the center of it, coming through, there's a separation all the way across it to separate your solids from your liquids. And then your your scum floats, and most of your sludge, which is most of your solids, go to the bottom.
Really?
On these T's right here,
Uh-huh.
there's 18-inch stacks that are dropped down, pretty much parallel to the slit in the baffle. Same thing with the outlet, there's an 18-inch drop stack. So that's why we try to tell people every 3 to 5 years, kind of depending on how many people live with you. If it's just y'all two, we'd say every 6 or 7. But that scum that floats and that sludge that sinks, it grows towards each other.
Right.
So with your drain field, if that sludge and scum grow together, more solids are going to get pushed through the baffle, and more solids are going to get pushed up that T and out into your drain field.
Wow.
So that's mainly the reason why drain fields fail.
Yeah.
People don't pump their tanks.
They don't pump their tanks, and that's not
It's
good.
kind of like an oil change on a car, except this
Yeah.
is for your house.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, my son was over. I said he hadn't pumped his out. So you need to pump yours out soon. You know, he was by himself for a while. That's a bigger, see, that's a bigger top too.
Hold on. So you can get it out.
Is that the filter?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my.
Keep flowing.
Your drain field is fine.
Mm-hmm.
We'll clean this off and put it back in there.
Okay.
If I've got another one, I'll install it.
Okay.
But if you would have went probably another year, it would have backed into your house.
You're kidding me.
Not kidding you. See all the sludge and scum that's on
Yeah,
your filter?
yep.
And your drain field is, your tank's pushing into your drain field. Basically, when you flush 1.3 gallons from your toilet, it comes into here, it raises the levels a little bit, and right here, that T to that T, that one's higher, this one's lower, there's
Yeah.
a 2-inch difference. So when you flush that 1.3 gallons into this 1,000-gallon tank, that T right there, water should just trickle into there. So right
So-
now, you're probably going to be pushing, I don't know, 50 to 60 gallons within the next, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. But we're about to pump it down, so we're about to stop it.
Oh, good,
But-
good.
I always try to tell people, if this end of the tank is easily accessible, to pull this lid once a year and just spray that filter off.
Oh.
Whenever we come to do y'all's tank, tell Rick that you want risers.
Risers?
So
Yes.
it's gonna, so you won't have any of this.
That's what the guy was talking about yesterday. He wanted to
Nice.
install them. What do you guys charge to install them after the fact?
Depends on how deep they are. Now you're not made, like we're not gonna make you put them.
Right, yeah.
If they're 6 inches below the dirt, that is by code a minimum. But if it was me, it wouldn't matter if there was 2 inches of dirt. I don't want to go shovel my dirt and have to worry about fixing grass.
Yeah.
Something like that. I mean, it'll probably be an extra between $600 and $1,000. It just depends. We put a flange, we put a riser, we put a lid, we screw all that down, we set that down into the lid. I set 2 this morning actually on the system we did. It just really all depends on, you know, it's on that bottom one. Yeah, right there. Don't quote me on that.
Okay.
Check this off.
All right.
I got it.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect timing when we're moving home.
That's all right. I said this y'all in the house, 6-7 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, you could probably go 8 years, 7 to 8 years.
Wow.
But that's
No, I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it because I don't want to ruin the septic.
okay. All right. Yeah, we'll do that.
You need a hose or?
Yes, it does.
We have a hose.
All
Do
right.
you want to get the hose? So, wow, that's good.
Much volume here.
Yeah, it's kind of weak pressure.
You got your video camera on? I'm gonna just test it real quick. Just do like a 10-15 second test.
All right.
It's just water shooting in the outlet. 1, 2. When I get done and I pull the water away, just kind of zoom in on the bottom where I'm shooting the water. No water will push back, but it's good for the camera to see that. There's no water pulling back, the drain feels fine. Drain field is perfectly healthy. Now, have y'all ever put rock salt or any kind of like copper sulfate down the drain? So rock salt, ice cream salt. Just get you a couple boxes of that. About in the toilet, flush it. Y'all have a clean out?
Yeah.
Just dump the whole box. Take 2 boxes, dump it in there.
How big is a box?
Just the regular big box like that. About that big, about that size. Go ahead and dump 2 boxes in it, so we can go ahead and dose this system. And then once every 6 months, dump a box in it, and it'll kill all these roots. See all these little small hairline roots?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You see how this one right here is long enough,
Yes.
so your liquid levels will be about right there.
Oh, wow.
Obviously that root, it will be touching the water. If you dose it with rock salt, it'll pretty much, in a root sense, it'll poison the water. The root will still grow, but as soon as it touches that water, it'll kill it.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, it's kind of like when we've got like a water softener that when it recycles, salt water comes out on this hose here. If we left it here, we did at one point, it kills all the grass all around it.
You can just stick it whenever you dump that. You just stick it right in there.
Okay. So what maybe I could do is I was thinking about doing that. Maybe like on the inside, like have a I don't know, drill a hole in it and then kind of put a fitting on it. The pipe that's coming down into that.
Yeah, let me look at it.
So we got it done and everything's good. Drain field is good. The septic tank is good. The filter in there just needed to be cleaned out. Everything is good. We are pleased. We are happy and thankful for the price. The guy yesterday was going to charge us. I don't even want to go into it. I think you heard it the other part of the video. But again, I'd like to have one of these. Someday maybe. It depends.